Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 4, being able to improve digital information systems for an organization. In today's session, we will explore how strategic improvements to digital information systems can enhance overall organizational performance. Through automation and system integration, operations become more streamlined and efficient, while secure storage and effective information sharing help maintain compliance and data integrity. This approach leads to smarter, more efficient ways of working and supports continuous improvement across the organization. Digital information systems are crucial for data management. They support decision-making, enhance efficiency, and ensure compliance. Organizations must review current systems to identify weaknesses. Strategic improvements involve technology, processes, and people. This approach enhances data collection, storage, and security. Understanding current systems is the first step in improvement. This includes auditing software platforms and identifying weaknesses. Consulting users helps uncover pain points and training needs. Evaluating security ensures data protection standards are met. This assessment guides necessary improvements. Clear objectives drive improvement efforts. Goals include automating tasks and enhancing data accuracy. Strengthening security and providing real-time reporting are also key. Objectives should align with organizational strategy. This ensures improvements meet operational needs. Fragmented systems hinder efficiency. Integrating systems allows data to flow seamlessly. It eliminates work duplication and reduces errors. Collaboration and decision-making improve. Integration is crucial for efficient operations. Automating repetitive tasks reduces human error. It speeds up operations and allows focus on higher-value activities. Workflow software and chatbots are examples. Automation leads to faster, more accurate processes. It enhances overall productivity. Migrating to cloud platforms offers flexibility. It enables remote access and real-time collaboration. Automatic backups ensure data security. Cloud systems reduce physical server costs. They are essential for modern data management. Security improvements protect against data breaches. Encryption and multi-factor authentication are key measures. Regular audits ensure compliance. Access is restricted to essential personnel. Strong security builds trust and legal compliance. Outdated systems slow down processes. Upgrading ensures faster performance and better features. It resolves compatibility issues. Migrating to modern systems enhances integration. Upgrades are vital for efficient operations. Clean data improves decision-making. Validation rules and data cleansing are essential. Standard naming conventions ensure consistency. Regular updates maintain data accuracy. High-quality data supports better outcomes. Proper user adoption is crucial for system success. Training reduces resistance to change. It includes data security and software features. Change management ensures everyone understands improvements. Training supports consistent and effective system use. Improvement is an ongoing process. Regular reviews ensure long-term effectiveness. Monitoring usage and feedback is essential. Systems should evolve with technology and regulations. Continuous improvement keeps organizations competitive. Automation increases efficiency. Real-time data supports better decisions. Compliance reduces legal risks. Cost savings come from reduced duplication. Enhanced customer service results from faster responses. In HR, manual data entry was replaced by integration. Employees update information via a secure portal. Alerts remind managers of expiring contracts. Data accuracy and compliance improve. This scenario illustrates the impact of system improvements. Improving systems requires assessing weaknesses. Automation and integration are key actions. Cloud adoption and training support these efforts. The goal is efficient operations and strong compliance. It's about smarter, safer ways of working. Organizations collect data through hard and soft copies. Websites and mailings are common sources. Access is controlled via user permissions. Information is shared internally and externally. Secure dissemination is vital for data protection. Data is formatted using software like Excel. Visual formats aid quick interpretation. Consistent templates ensure reliability. Updates keep information current and valid. Legal considerations protect sensitive data. Information is stored digitally and physically. Cloud platforms offer remote access. Role-based access controls security. Regular backups prevent data loss. Secure storage is essential for compliance. Information is shared internally via meetings and emails. Externally, it's shared through websites and reports. Data protection is a priority. Only authorized information is shared publicly. Secure dissemination ensures confidentiality. A structured strategy focuses on technology and processes. It ensures data accuracy and security. Automating collection and standardizing formats are key. Centralized storage enhances access. The strategy supports informed decision-making. In conclusion, digital information systems have the power to transform organizational efficiency. This video has explored key strategies for improving how organizations manage, store, and share data effectively. By implementing these enhancements, organizations can achieve better decision-making, stronger compliance, and improved overall performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a message via WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.